So, on the day when me and you for spend time together, you call Tiffany for come here?
Babe, just...
One!
Tiffany, what one? You alright?
No, I'm not. It's Daddy.
Your father? Something wrong with him?
He's in the hospital. He had a minor heart attack and
Tiffany, like, I'm sorry for hear that, and I really hope you get better soon.
Karim, I know you and my father didn't get along because of what he did to you. But at the end of the day, he's my father and it's just so hard for me right now.
Well, I understand that, and like, I apologize if I give off the impression as if I am cold, but I understand.
It's fine. I mean, what's happening now is I'm so used to seeing him so strong, and just seeing him in the hospital today so fragile, and I'm just not used to it.
Well, Tiffany, like, blood thicker than water, I understand that. And I don't know where you go through right now, but I know say, you know, it deep because you lost your mom and then now your father in a critical, you know, state. So I am here if you need me.
Karim, I appreciate you so much. It's just everything has been so much for me. It's a lot with school and, you know, as you mentioned me, I really came down here to do business, and then just coming here and seeing Daddy like this. I can't leave anytime soon. I have to make sure I say I'm good before I leave.
Honey, everything will be okay, alright?
Don't stop because you see me. Hi, Tiffany. Karim, you want 5 more minutes?
Our people, them not really, you know, so 100, and you know she come and so
My father is nowhere.
our father in a hospital for true.
I just need somebody to talk to. I just need to be around friends right now. Oh my god, guys. I'm so sorry to impose. Sorry. I'm just gonna go.
So Tiffany,
Yeah?
now you drive that.
Oh my god, I'm such a mess. Sorry, it's alright.
Tiffany. Come here. Sit down. Go to talk.